Take command of the road in the 2015 Honda Pilot. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 5-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Honda infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as leather upholstery, front and rear reading lights, a built-in garage door transmitter, power moonroof, skid plates, a trailer hitch, and power seats. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Premium sound drives 10 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate, no matter how far the drive. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.